Kalau begini terlalu muda, kalau begitu terlalu tua. Ya, kumaha, ya kan? Ya kan?
Mahkamah Konstitusi memutuskan mengabulkan gugatan MK pada 9 Undang-Undang Pilpres di Pilpres tentang batas usia.
Hello everyone, I'm Mapan. So here I want to tell you about this information. The Constitutional Court Decision number 90/PUU 21/2023 addresses the minimum age limit for presidential and vice presidential candidates in Indonesia. It resulted from a judicial review challenging Article 169 Q of Law number 7 of 2017 on general elections, which sets a minimum candidate age of 40 years. So, here the chronology. The case was filed by the petitioners, including Indonesian Solidarity Party members, challenging the constitutionality of the minimum age of limits. The court examined the petition and the legal arguments, including expert testimony, that age limits are not typically constitutional but rather political or cultural issues. In October 2023, the court ruled to amend the law, removing the strict 40-year minimum age limit for presidential and vice presidential candidates who have experience as regional heads, effectively allowing younger, experienced leaders to run.
Hello everyone, my name is Khania Marwa. My study ID number is E1B024007. Now I will explain about legal and political issue, then physical legal issue. The constitutional foundation of the age limit is a recommendation for presidential candidate whenever it violates the principle of equality and democracy. A question about critical age due to alleged conflict in interest in part, political issue implication for the political dynasties and the opening of candidates to younger politicals with regional leadership experience, such as Gibran Rakabuming Raka, public trust in constitutional independence and how the ruling affects political. The ruling is seen as a move towards more inclusive democracy by reducing barriers to a candidate based on age while balancing experience requirements, potential, and encouraging political renewal, rule of law. The case rebut of critical integrity and independence of constitutional court due to alleged ethical bias, challenging practice of fairness in Indonesia legal system. The ruling affirms the principle that constitutional court decisions are final and binding, thus stating the ultimate legal authority of the court, the best consistent.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ayu Damayanti Saputri, student number E1B024028. Right now, legal theory, constitutional legal theory is the case revolve law and constitutional law, which is defines the structure of government, distribution of power, and fundamental right. The Indonesian Constitution 1945 is the super law, the legitimacy for public authority and limit government power. The favorite arbitrary rule, the constitutional right hold under to review law against the Constitution. Article 24 Constitution 1945 answering legal norms complete with constitutional principles such as equality, democracy, and rule of the law. In the case of Constitutional Court number 19/PUU-21/2023, the court's action is judicial review consent to the law number 7/2017 on general election, special article 106 19 liter and setting minimum minimum age of 40, the president and vice president candidate. Political system theory. The political system theory applicable here description the interest between institutions such as the executive, president, and vice president, legislature, and judicial with a democratic system. It applies separation of power. Theories of democracy advocates includes political participant and mechanism to prevent domination by nor elite or dynastic. The case saw and political legal dynamics where the judicial interferes in the political domain by shaping candidate eligible, terrible involved political competition and electoral exclusively. The controversy of judicial integers highlight the right balance between democracy, government, and legal legitimacy.
My name is Kieran Abdiani Oharo. My name is A1B024009. Understanding the relationship in this case, the Constitutional Court as institution has the authority under Article 24C UUD 1945 and Law Number 24/2003 on the Constitutional Court to assess and analyze that contradict the constitutional, the political process of selecting presidential candidate in full post rules set by the legislature DPR. In Law Number 7/2017, the court's decision modified these rules impacting political competition and democratic participation. The legal mechanism of judicial review serves as a check against legislative decision that may restrict constitutional rights, reflecting the principle of constitutional supremacy and rule of law. This interaction exemplifies the check and balance system and the role of legal institutions in safeguarding democracy, but also saw tension when judicial decision face political security. Relevant laws and articles including UUD 1945 Article 1, Unison as a state based on law, UUD 1945 1945 Article 20C, Judicial Authority of MK UUD 1945 Article 228, Direct to Political Participation Law Number 7/2017 Article 169, letter minimum age limit for presidential candidates Law Number 24/2003 on Mahkamah Konstitusi, Authority and Function of MK.
Hello everyone, today I will give you conclusion about the Constitutional Court decision from my group. As we know, the Constitutional Court decision number 19 PUU 2023 is an important legal and political event in Indonesia. In this ruling, the court kept the minimum age 40 years for presidential and vice presidential candidate, but added a special exception. People under 40 may run if they have been directly elected as a regional head, such as governor or mayor. This shows the court intention to balance the need for experienced leaders with the opportunity for younger leaders to participate in national politics. From a legal perspective, the decision protects citizen political right, Article 28D of the 1945 Constitution, and support the rule of law, Article 1, Number 3. It also demonstrates the Constitutional Court rule, though its judicial review power, Article 24C, in correcting laws that influence Indonesia democratic system. From a political perspective, the ruling may open the door for younger candidate, making election more competitive. However, it has also sparked the debate about the court neutrality and public trust due to its political impact. Overall, this decision show how law and politics interact in shaping Indonesia democracy. It affects both legal and political governance while offering a broader view and inclusiveness and the quality of democracy in the country. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dadah.